guys, today we're going to interview some people about media codes and conventions. So I see someone here who can know about the types of codes and conventions. So here they are. Come on. Before we go on to this interview, I'm going to explain to you the background of this lesson. So you guys remember this, right? This is called Jejemon. This is the well-known writing here in the Philippines. As what you have seen, media indeed affect people too, and not information alone. Just exactly Marshall McLuhan's words way back in 1964. According to UNESCO, one must know how information, ideas, and meanings are communicated. This means being able to fully understand the language and grammar of each medium. Now, let's proceed to this interview. Today we are here with...
Hi, my name is David Joel Rodriguez. Hi, my name is Carmen Del Reyes.
Today we are going to discuss what are the types of codes in media. So, David, do you know what are the types of codes in media?
Yes.
So, do you know how many of them?
I think there are 4 types of codes in media, and I know the 2 codes, and Carl here knows the last 2 remaining codes.
So, David, can you discuss us what are the 2 types of codes in media do you know about?
The first example is written codes, and some examples of it are headlines, captions, title, and writing styles. The second one is symbolic codes. These are codes that are used to convey a symbolic means, such as emoticons.
So, David, what kind of applications and websites do you use for written codes and symbolic codes?
As for written codes, the app that I use is Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Excel. And as for the symbolic codes, some apps that I use are Facebook, social media sites like Messenger, Instagram, Twitter, and I think that's all.
Oh, really? Thank you, Levi. So, Carl, do you know the other remaining 2 codes of media?
They are.
So, what are they?
So there are 2 remaining codes. These are technical codes and the audio codes. The first one is technical codes, which is used like camera angles, shot types, and lightings. The other one is audio codes, which are background music, sound effects, and voiceovers.
Oh, really, Carl? So, do you know what kind of applications or websites do you use for those kinds of codes, media?
Yes, some of these examples are that uses technical codes and audio codes like video editing tools like Filmora, Adobe Premiere, and other things.
Oh, really, Carl? So, what kind of popular print ad does these kinds of codes use? Go.
Some food brands just like popular food brands just like Jollibee, Mang Inasal, Chowking, McDo.
Another one is another food brands like Coke, Sprite, Pepsi, and Mountain Dew, and other soft drinks.
Thank you, Carl. So, this ends here for the discussion of codes in media. So, thank you, Levin, Carl, for participating in this interview. So, after the types of codes of media, we're going to ask someone about the media convention. So, I see someone here who is playing monkey bar who can discuss to us what are the media conventions. Hey, man.
Hey bro, how are you?
Today, here we are with Benedict Corwin. So, he is going to discuss to us what are the media conventions. So, what are the media conventions, Benedict?
Media conventions are referred to as generally accepted ways of doing something. Each genre in television, film, and literature follows certain conventions that distinguishes them from other genres.
Okay, so Benedict, do all TV programs use same sets from a different genre?
No, they both use different kinds of set. We can differentiate a TV series from a news program because they both follow different kinds of media conventions. All of these, including media codes, make effective communication between the media and the audience a lot easier.
So thank you, Benedict, for discussing us about media conventions.
You're welcome, bro.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you learned about codes and conventions in media.
Come and take a ride, straight up all night.